This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a short GIF and the right tools. Pick a GIF under 6 seconds so animation loops well as a sticker. Download a reliable GIF-to-WebP converter app or use a desktop editor that exports animated WebP. Once done, make sure you have a clean folder for your sticker pack on device storage and that WhatsApp can access it. This prevents permission errors later. These initial steps set the foundation for the conversion and final import. Now you'll convert and optimize. Trim the GIF to the essential motion and resize it to around 512 by 512 pixels so it fits WhatsApp's sticker canvas. Then export or convert to animated WebP. Choose settings that preserve loop and transparency. Optimize frame rate and drop redundant frames to lower file size without killing motion quality. Once optimized, verify the WebP plays in your gallery. This confirms conversion succeeded before package. Finally, import the animated WebP into a sticker pack using WhatsApp Sticker Maker or a third-party pack app. Add at least one emoji and required metadata, then export the pack to WhatsApp so your sticker appears in chats. If it doesn't show or plays as a static image, check file format first. Ensure it's animated WebP, not APM or GIF. Also verify size limits, app permissions, and that transparency is preserved. Fixing any of these usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.